So we're out here doing the last post of the old style, and it's raining pretty good, but we're pretty well protected. We're getting some mist on us. But notice the floor. We're getting some ponding here, and we thought that that corner was probably high. I had looked at the level when I got here today. And the water's also agreeing with that. Here we're not getting the ponding over there, but here we are. And then there's a high spot here, but it's probably good here, but then it goes high over there. So it turns out we need to drop that because we're not matching up above there. So we're going to hopefully drop that 1.5 inches. That should stop this water from sitting in here, and it should solve our connection problem up there, because the way they're coming together, they aren't going to match. And that's going to cause problems with the design over, that goes straight across and they need to be even. So kind of confirming what we thought with this rain. You can see it's coming down pretty good, coming off the top roof, even missing our side roof almost. It was earlier. Okay, back to nailing.